Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, welcome back to Afsha's Roaming Taste Buds. So here I am today to review one of the places where I was invited last week. So I was there at Fatosh. So this is not the first time I have been to this place, but here to review I am here for the first time. We had received mutton soup and ginger lemon shots, which was actually very good, and some mandi chutneys which were here. Our little sister enjoying the mutton soup. So along with the soup and the drink, we had been given papad along with the green mint chutney and some salad along before the great chicken mandi was to arrive. So here was our chicken mandi. Quantity wise, it was too much for us, but the taste wise, it was just authentic chicken mandi, which was amazing. We had chili tomato, and chili chutney, which we had three different varieties. And here you can see the staff serving the food to us. So basically, the staff courtesy was on point. I would say 5 out of 5. The ambience of this place too is quiet and cozy. They have a good amount of seating capacity because the area is actually huge enough. So it was my brother who acted as a cameraman for me that day, as Ashraf couldn't join us due to office. So by the time we were enjoying a lunch, here was a green fire drink, which was a mocktail, which was quite spicy. And along with the mandi, we also ordered the shish tavuk. I love the presentation of this. I was impressed by the presentation and the pictures from the people who had visited previously, and so I wanted to order this. And here, the best part about this place is the play area. So if you have kids, I'm sure they would be entertained and would love this place, as like a little sister is enjoying here. Then a very interesting and unique dessert which I've never heard or tried of before, Lukhaimat had come, which was dipped in honey, which was just yummy. And the place you're seeing here is their party area. So as per your menu, the food can be customized. There is a stage as well set up. The food can be buffet or a la carte, and as per your choices. And there are Bluetooth enabled speakers and all set up here. So it would be a nice place to for a small party as well if you're planning for it. So this restaurant is located in Banargata Road. Do visit this place and try out their mandi, which they have in different varieties. It could be chicken mandi, mutton mandi, or it could be the grill mandi as well. And let me know how did you like the place. Here is just a glimpse of the complete restaurant. So just in case, even if you're not using their party area, it's okay for you just to visit as a family, and they have different customized packages which you can pre-book and go and enjoy in this place. Let me also tell you, this was not the first time I visited this place. I have been to this place in both the branches several times. Along with my family as well, we have been there for get-togethers, parties, and also I love this place. Looking forward to visit again. So if you like this, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.